on, ready? People waste too much of their lives putting dishes and little cutlery pieces exactly where they're supposed to be. Fucking just throw it in.
You ever see anything like this, Alan?
No, he's super
Fucking aggressive. Look at him.
fine. Like, oh my God, he's like angry with us. Like
The way he's treating those delicate dishes.
like
I mean, look at her. Look.
You can beat your fucking asses, bitches. Get in the fucking.
I wouldn't fuck with that motherfucker.
no, never.
Fuck.
Angry as fuck. That's how it's done.
It's over, bitches. Go have drinking. Start drinking.
Okay, 1942 it is.